Oops.
Grayson.
Hi guys, Grayson here. What? Today I'm going to build something out of paper. Let's get started. So let's grab one piece of paper, scissors, and duct tape, and a ruler. That's nothing. So let's get. Okay, I don't know how I'm making any star or anything. I don't barely know origami, so yeah. I only know how to make paper airplane. So let's make a paper airplane. Something easy for once. Sorry. I got it. Alright, so let's make a paper airplane. Let's get started. So let's fold it over. Let's do it like this. Press it pretty good. Okay, let's do it like this. Then let's actually unfold it. Then let's actually make two triangles.
Can you come downstairs and help me do the pig's like shirt, because I keep on trying to do it, but then they keep on popping.
It's not okay. 1 minute, guys. Sorry about that. So let's take this. Fold it. Then let's fold it up. This is how I do my paper airplanes. And you fold it up like this, and you do the same with the other. Then let's make the wings. Again, let's do this. Let's make a little bit of triangles. I'm sorry about that. Then we got it. Here we are. Now let's see if it flies. 1, 2, 3. It did a trick. Went in a loop. Let's see. That's not my best. I can do even better. Let's make the eagle. Okay, so today I'm at. Alright, let's make it now. Okay, so let's fold it over to the second side. So let's do this. Unfold it. Triangles. Kind of like the other one, but it's not.
Hey Grayson, look. See, I did all the hamburgers and look, it didn't pop.
Whoa. Really?
Yeah, look.
I'm sorry about this, guys.
Wait. Oh, I don't get any hamburgers, so that means
Dice. Hear it out.
and here goes to this.
Okay, so we got this.
Why is it not popping?
Okay, so we got that. And then let's fold it over like we just had it. Then let's fold it kind of like this. Then let's undo it. Then let's fold one in. Actually, yeah, let's make one in. Then let's do that. 1 minute. Give me a few minutes, guys. Okay, let's do this. Fold one in.
Just keep driving.
Then let's fold one out. Okay, then. Ah! What?
You can't stop this. Oh, come on. Wait, you can't stop this.
That's kind of embarrassing for a YouTube video. It's actually public, so everybody sees that.
Okay, I'll stop.
Thank you. Ah!
Oh my.
I'm sorry.
What's this one? God, what's this thing on?
Okay. Can't drop this. Sorry. Don't you dare. Okay, so we got this folded in. Then we got this, right? Then we have to fold it all the way out. And here we go. The eagle. Looks like an eagle, right? Like it. There's a reason why I call it the eagle, because it goes like an eagle. Flies like an eagle. So that's it for today. I can see you. Okay, I'll do that.
See what are YouTube videos?
See you guys on Grayson Piper's videos. See you next
Give
time.
us a thumbs up or a thumbs down.
No, please don't give me a thumbs down, because this is actually a special video. Because I'm making it easy for you guys. I'm trying to do something easy for you, and this is what you got. So, see you next time on Grayson Piper's videos. See ya.